should've known better, deja vu. I should've known better.
Hey YouTube family and friends, welcome back. Happy Tuesday, y'all. Of course, I got started with my day without including y'all. Sometimes it be that way, but I had started making me some guacamole. Started on it, so I'm gonna turn the camera down, flip it down so y'all can see. I already cut up some shoot, I think I need to move it in order for y'all to be able to see. Hold on. I think y'all see better like that. Because if I sit it all the way, it's gonna tip over. So I already cut up some red onion and tomatoes. I said, hot dog it, I ain't got no doggone lemon juice. So I do the avocado, red onion, and tomatoes for my guacamole. That's what I like to put on my toast. I'll just take the avocado out. You know, just break it up and stuff, and then I stir it all up. But I put some garlic in here and some minced onion. And I usually put a little seasoning salt, which I still might, but I tried something different. I put some salad supreme in there. I don't know how that's gonna taste, but we're gonna see, because I like some flavor on my avocado. My guacamole to have some flavor is what I'm saying. So let me get that all off of there. Take that out. We ain't trying to let that nut come out of there with nothing. Okay. So scoop that on out of there. And mash that on up too. Hey YouTube family and friends, welcome back. Happy Wednesday, y'all. Happy hump day. Hump day. No, listen though. I just hopped on real quick just to say hello. And getting ready to I'm finna get ready to get on the computer. Actually, I'm gonna make me something to eat. Probably won't be nothing but a piece of toast or something. And actually, I'm probably not gonna make no toast. I bought that little bitty bag of Doritos yesterday. I'm gonna eat the rest of that guacamole. But y'all, it's so much air in this bag. When I tell you, it's probably about 5 chips in here. That's what it feels like. If anyways, yeah, I'll probably just eat that with the guacamole while I'm on the computer, and then I had Olive Garden yesterday. I just finished that up. Once I'm done doing all of that. But yeah, just wanted to hop on and say hello. I just went outside for a minute and it's nice out there already. I'm getting ready to put my let's turn y'all. I'm getting ready to put my, let me open these up. This smells so good, y'all. I love this one and the ocean scent. I'm ready to, I shared with y'all that I bought the spray too. So I usually buy this one and the ocean. But I like fruity scents too. I love the peach. I love peach. And and I got this one. Yeah, so I'm going to pop this in here. I'll be right back. I'm gonna take this one to the bathroom right quick. I don't don't know why. I was walking and it's just like having like a little aching pain here and then my knee. Like why? It's crazy. I ain't with it. So this one I'm gonna put downstairs. This one I'm gonna put I forgot I bought these kind of so long. First of all, okay, so to activate it, flip the clip. Flip the clip. Alright. There we go. I knew it was something I was supposed to do. Don't be laughing because I had to put my glasses on either. Don't be laughing. I'm gonna set this joker right here. You smell that soon as you come in. And I'm just gonna spray.
Trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live. So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better